Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of making flower arrangements for my home. So I am creating some beautiful centerpieces just to beautify my home. You guys always see me making arrangements, but today is super special because I have a special guest, and you guys give a warm welcome to my husband, aka Farmer D. So we're going to be having a small date night. All right, you guys, so we just had so much fun, and it was kind of just like a fun, creative mini date with our kiddos around. So, it's super fun if you can't go out and have a date and stuff like that. We had fun creating, nice arrangements for our home. So we got to be creative. Did you feel stressed out or did you have fun?
Nope, I wasn't stressed out. It was fun.
It's super cool to see like how we think and how we create. It's no competition, it's just fun. um so I kind of made my colors look like a rainbow, and his looked so good. It looked like a flame, like waves of flames. So I like to see him be creative too. So we had
Enjoy
fun.
color. No, I
Yes.
enjoy color, and
Mm-hmm.
you putting them, finding all the colors look like like a rainbow. So it was nice.
Yeah, as always, you guys, we're wishing you guys
Peace,
peace,
love.
love, and flowers. See you guys in the next video.